Hi, I'm Kevin Crowley with Environmental Health and Safety. In this video, we'll talk about performing ladder inspections. We'll look at two different types of ladders, self-supporting ladders and non-self-supporting ladders. Performing inspections does two things. It helps preserve and elongate the lives of our ladders, and it also helps prevent injury to employees. In addition, Oregon OSHA requires that ladder inspections be performed prior to each use of any ladder. Let's go ahead and begin our inspection by looking at the labels. We want to make sure that all the manufacturer's labels and warnings are present and legible. Users should read and become familiar with all of the warning statements and limitations. Since the feet of the ladder are crucial for stability, we'll start there and work our way up. Inspect each foot of the ladder, looking for missing or damaged slip-resistant feet, shoes, or load-bearing surfaces. Place the ladder on a level surface and open the ladder fully. Completely engage the spreader bars to ensure they function properly, and check that the ladder does not rock or wobble. Inspect each of the side rails, both inside and out, looking for cracks, holes, dents, gouges, splits, abrasion, or bends. Inspect each step, rung, or cleat, looking for cracks, holes, dents, gouges, splits, abrasion, or bends. Visually inspect each connection point between the side rails and each step, rung, or cleat, looking for any damage or loose bolts, joints, or rivets. Gently wiggle each rung to feel for any play. Inspect the top cap of the ladder, looking for any defects. Finally, inspect the ladder for any contamination in the form of oil, grease, or mud. At this time, let's look at how to perform an inspection of a non-self-supporting ladder. Our example here involves an extension ladder. Once again, we'll start by looking at warning labels. Inspect the ladder to ensure that all of the manufacturer's labels and warnings are present and legible, as you would with a self-supporting ladder. Make sure you're familiar with all of the warning statements and limitations shown on the ladder. As with self-supporting ladders, we'll start our inspection of the extension ladder at the bottom of the ladder and visually inspect the feet, looking for missing or damaged slip-resistant feet, shoes, or load-bearing surfaces. Handle each foot to ensure it articulates properly. Inspect each side rail for cracks, holes, dents, gouges, splits, abrasion, or bends. Be sure to check both the base and fly sections. Check both the interior and exterior surfaces. Visually inspect each step, rung, or cleat, looking for cracks, holes, dents, gouges, splits, abrasion, or bends. These can all affect the ladder's integrity and compromise our safety. Inspect each connection point between the side rails and each step, rung, or cleat, looking for any damage or loose bolts, joints, or rivets. Inspect the rope and pulley components used to raise the fly. Ensure that they are not damaged and that they function properly. Check the locking mechanism to verify that there are no missing components and that they articulate and function properly. Finally, inspect the ladder for contamination in the form of oil, grease, or mud. If you find issues during an inspection, do not use the ladder. It's better to replace the ladder than risk an injury.